may bulik, my own version of bulik. Father, daughter mating. They're heavy on yellow leg hatches. These are my bullocks. Balaw. All tanang balaw, lahat ng bulik na lumabas dito sa lugar na to, ganito talagang kulay since 1960s. Pakuha namin sa lupa dito ng mga lulo namin. Basta may yung bulik dito, ganito talaga yung kulay. Even you put a different bulik here, when the offspring all the same like this color. May buliks.